Everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I will be sharing 2 unboxings from Louis Vuitton with my YouTube family. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Before guys, I get started with the unboxing, I want to tell all of my Instagram family, my YouTube family, if you follow me on Facebook, I just want to say thank you to each and every last one of you guys that actually reached out to me just to check on me and my well-being. On May 30th, my family was hit hard with an unexpected death. You know, death is a life cycle. This is something that we all have to go through. Either we are going to be the one passing or we are the ones left behind to grieve those that pass. And so unfortunately, you know, my family was hit hard May 30th and I just stepped away. I actually needed my own time. I needed my time to be here for my family, my children, and for myself as well. So just thank you. I thank you guys. I love you guys. And I'm pretty sure you guys know that, okay? So let's get started with the first unboxing here. I have been holding this for a while now. So let's just get this open. I haven't done this in a while. So of course, 2 dust bags. You guys already know what this might be. Put the box down. And I'm so excited to share this. So it's too cute, guys. 3, 2, and 1. I never have it out for 1, but here it is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I tried these on actually in the boutique, in the Galleria, and I gave you guys just a quick little, you know, sneak peek. I wasn't sure if I was going to purchase. I was actually looking at the green, but I was like, you know what? Forget that. It's summertime, and hey, I need to pop out with some orange, and that's exactly what I did. I love these beauties so much. And guys, you see here in the back, this is just perfect. And look at the shoestrings. Okay. So beautiful, so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really trying to hold it in, but I am super excited. You guys know I am a sneakerhead, and I just love how LV shoes fit me. I just love the support. You know, guys, I have a wide foot and these just fit me perfect, okay? And the size I went with, I think I went with, yes, I went with a 36, okay? A 36. So this is basically true to size. This is the size I wear in sneakers and heels. I wear a 6.5, which is a 36.5. Okay, so let me take the other one out. I'm super excited. Okay, so here they are. I am going to orange you guys to death this summer, okay? It is going to be a hot orange summer. That's exactly what it is going to be, okay? And let me get the price. So you guys, if you are interested, you can purchase. Okay, and the price for these beauties, let me get it open. All right, Paige, these are LV Run 55 sneakers. They were $1,290 with tax, $1,396.43. So on the receipt, it states Run 55 sneakers, okay? And they also, like I said, they came in a beautiful green color, but I'm gonna show you why I went with the orange. So I'm gonna set these beauties to the side, and then we're gonna do the next unboxing, so you guys can see a little, okay? Keep them here. Okay, so let me grab the next box. And here it is. And I'm pretty sure you guys know exactly what this is, because I've been telling you guys I was going to get it. And if I say I'm really going to get something and keep talking about it, I'm going to do it. I'm a woman of my word. I'm a Taurus. That's how it is, okay? 3, 2, you see it peeking, and 1. Yes, finally in my possession, guys, the beautiful orange Alma BB. And you guys know I have been telling you I want an orange handbag. I want an orange handbag. I was going looking everywhere, and guess what? God said, I'm going to get you an orange handbag, and it's going to be from Louis Vuitton, because that's exactly what I wanted. So guys, I am adding this beauty to my collection. This is the beautiful orange Alma BB with silver hardware, which I am super excited about because it matched up perfect, okay? Perfect with my Run 55 sneakers. Too excited. I have something like already in mind. You guys know how I work with the silver lock. So let's get this beauty open. And of course, it is Epi leather. Smells amazing. And I'm just a big fan of Epi leather now. I see more in the future. Not more Alma BBs. I think I'm done with Alma BBs. But I do see more Epi leather handbags, okay? Let me expose this beautiful interior, guys. Are you ready for this? Look at this blue up against this orange. Look at the blue. This beautiful, oh my gosh, microfiber interior. You guys know how I feel about microfiber because it's just so smooth. It does come with a side pocket and the dust bag where the padlock and key was. And so here it is. Beautiful, smooth microfiber material. I am so glad they went with a colored theme. They could have easily just added the orange like they did the green, but I am excited about the change of color. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm excited. Like, I needed this. I needed this. This excites me because you guys know how long I have been searching for an all orange handbag. I even purchased a Telfar orange handbag, and you guys see how that worked. That didn't work out right, okay? And so at the bottom, I love these silver hardware feet. And of course, we see the LV symbol here. So guys, this is perfect. The only thing that I am going to do, I am going to go back and get this hot stamped. I went through a different CA. I at least try to keep 3 to 4 CAs on my team because these CAs are going in and out. If they don't make commission, if they're not selling enough, LV is done with them. Or if they're not treated a certain way, they leave. And so guys, get used to having more CAs on your team. And so this is actually, I believe, number 5 for me. And she's perfect. Give me my space, but then don't give me my space. If it's something new that's come out, don't give me space. Send me the messages. But if I go in, give me my space. Let me look around. Weird, but that's just how I am, okay? So let me show you guys the beautiful strap. And yes, guys, a good tar strap. They're killing us. They're killing us. But here's another good tar strap that I am now adding to the collection. Here it is. And why they didn't make this adjustable, I don't know, but I'm upset about that. So guys, it's pink here, shaded light pink here at the top, and also blue. Can you guys see? So beautiful. So guys, I am super excited. So I'm gonna add this onto the bag just so you guys can get a full look. And let me know, did you pre-order, did you purchase, or what color Ammo BB did you pick out of in this collection? This is just going to be summertime rocking the orange, okay? This screams summertime. And I'm going to pull this off also in the fall because I want to add this with a touch of brown and add some beautiful bandos. I'm going to show you how I rock this. I am really going to show you how to rock this orange. Like guys, I'm really trying not to be super excited, but I'm super excited. I don't think you guys know like how bad I needed a orange handbag, and now I have one in my collection. Okay, so here's the orange Ammo BB and my Run 55 sneakers. Get ready to see me in these LV streets, okay? And so I am going to open this one more time and expose how beautiful this color is. And let me get a price for you guys. I paid $2,370, and with tax it came out to like $2,500. And so the product code number is M22186. Again, M22186, $2,370. That was the price. And of course, here is the green. You know, she wasn't too far away. And so I am just happy to say I have both of these babies in my collection now. Let me take off the strap, okay? It's getting real. Let me take off the green strap and put them side by side and just show you my little growing collection of Ammo BBs, okay? And do you guys see how they went with the green instead of a different color? That's why I was so excited about the inside. And I didn't know that was blue, okay? I didn't even check the website because it's available on the website. I have just been in my own little world. Here they are. I am so excited. I can't stop saying it. So I'm not going to do this. I am not going to be an Ammo BB collector. I am not. I have 5. That's it. I sold 2. This is it, guys, for the color. I'm branching out. So let me know, guys, did you go out and buy an Ammo BB? Which color did you purchase? I haven't seen orange floating around Instagram at all, and I haven't really been on Instagram like that. But let me know, did you go out and purchase? Did you get the blue? Did you get the beautiful purple? Or did you get the orange? And also, do you have the green in your collection as well? So guys, thank you so much again for all of your prayers, all of the love and the support that you continue to show me. I really do appreciate it. And of course, it's going to be more unboxings, guys. I kind of have to spread this thing out. So guys, like I said, thank you so much. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.